Using on-dock rail, delivering cargo containers directly to and from terminals by train is an essential component of the Port of Long Beach's Green Port Policy and Clean Air Action Plan. Maximizing the use of rail brings key benefits, eliminating up to 750 truck trips for each full train, reducing diesel pollution, and increasing efficiency. Currently, about 28% of all cargo movement in and out of the port is handled by on-dock rail. The goal is to increase that percentage to 35%. To do this, the port needs infrastructure that will allow for the assembly of longer on-dock trains. This is why the port is proposing to reconfigure, expand, and enhance the existing Pier B rail yard, which is in the northern end of the Harbor District, south of Anaheim Street and the 710 freeway. The project, known as the On-Dock Rail Support Facility, would create a centralized 100-acre area for staging inbound and outbound trains nearly 2 miles long. While the project would impact some local roadways, the net result would be to improve traffic flow, increase safety for motorists, streamline rail operations, remove bottlenecks, and reduce the need for local truck trips. The Board of Harbor Commissioners approved the Pier B project in January 2018. For updates and more information on the project, visit polb.com/Pier B.